Guys, today gonna do a quick review on this new item, the item number 95089, the 2015 high-grade carbon white rear plate for AR chassis. Okay, so for this one right here, so they just released a couple weeks ago. It is 1.5 millimeter thickness. It is also have all the yellow imprint on the carbon fiber surface. So let me just go ahead and open one. Let's take a look at it first. Okay, so here's the one piece. And you know what? It looks like a Batman logo. Okay, and the accessory comes with this package. It has the 6.7 millimeter aluminum spacer, two pieces, and some like 5 millimeter short screw head right here, and a 25 millimeter screw, three pieces, and some like the metal, some type of metal spacer right here. Okay, some washer nut, and that's it. Okay, and also have this little rubber pieces. You know, I was using this one for braking motor because this one you can connect two motor together. So you can connect two motor together like this, and using this one as slave. If you try to braking another motor, just connect to the other end like this. Okay, then start braking. I already showed that on one of my video. Okay, then let's take a look at the menu. On the menu, it tells you it is just very basic. It's just very basic stuff. Okay, and on display, you can see we have the hole for 9mm, 11mm, 13mm, 17mm, and 19mm. Okay, the 19mm roller, it is really on the back, which is not really too good because most people they try to keep the 19mm really close to the front as possible. And on display, the 19mm, the hole is really on the back. So anyway, next, let's compare with the other carbon fiber which is released like a couple years ago, like this one, 2013 carbon fiber, like this one. I'm pretty sure a lot of people will notice this is a very common use one. And also they have two versions. One is no logo version, the other one it is the logo version, which is this one right here. The item number with no logo is 94848, and the one with logo is 94954. Okay, so let's compare this one and this one. Okay, okay, so here's one piece. Let's put it side by side, and let's take a look at dimension. So basically, oh, this hole right here, and this hole right here, and this hole right here, it's all matched to the other version, except they don't have the brake mounting point extend. Okay, so the rest of them, including all this and this, it's all same. Okay, basically the overall dimension is same. And let's take a look at roller mounting point. So on this one, the 19mm is a little bit close to the front. Okay, so like this. But anyway, still this one a little bit better because you know this one has two mounting point for the brake. And another we're gonna do another compare. We're gonna do compare with this one, the 2014 version, the item number 95043, the high grade wide rear plate for AR chassis, 1.5mm. This is for 2014 version. And you know what? I don't really have to open it. I'm pretty sure it's the same as the older one. Basically it's all same, including all the mounting point right here, they're all same. The only different it is on the 2015 version, they add this wave right here. Okay, okay, so you can see different right here, or this right here. So basically they add a little bit special design right here. Okay, so overall the dimension, it is exactly same. Okay, like including here have this one even a little bit bigger, but right here has a little bit shorter than the 2014 version. Or the hole, the mounting point is exactly same. Or the hole right here, here, and here, and here is all same. Okay. So next we're gonna do it is, if you ask me how can we do with this one, it is, you know, my personal like 1.5 millimeter carbon fiber pretty much, because it's really light. It's lighter than the 2 millimeter, and it's already strong enough to supporting all the car. So what I do it is, I do one car like this using the 2015 version. So you notice right here, the front like underplate, I'm using these little pieces right here. So what I do it is, remove part of like the edges right here, or stick out. I remove it, make it like flat, like this right here. Okay, so this is what I do. I remove all this, make it flat like this. So let me give a better angle, you can see. So I remove all that, and in this case, because this is the extra piece that stick out, it's gonna be make me the front too long. That's why I remove it, and it's gonna be played right here like this. Okay, and also remove right here, so this will become my underplay like this. Okay, so for the back, I'm using the same one like this one right here. So this is the little pieces right here. So I completely remove the side, the left and right wing, and mount right here, as you can see, like these little pieces right here. And for the brake, the mounting point, so what I do, I using two popsicle right here to mount right here, these two little point right here, to extend it out. Okay, and let's take a look at the VS chassis. What we can do with VS chassis. VS chassis, I already have a video how teach you how to set up the underplay for the VS chassis. So here's a sample. This is the one of the underplay I'm making for the VS chassis. So it's like this. Okay, so let's take a look at it. If I'm using these pieces to make the VS design, actually, you know, it fits. Okay, so I have to do is cutting right here and then cutting right here, and also have to remove the extra edges right here, stick out to make it flat, and also remove right here. So it's gonna be very perfectly fit right here. Okay, the back, same thing. It's gonna do the same setting on the same as the little the MA chassis right here. Okay, for the Super 2, and basically Super 2 gonna be a little bit easier. For the Super 2, let's take a look at it. You know, it's not bad. It's same thing. We're gonna mount right here, and using this hole right here and this hole right here to mounting the roller plate, and also remove all this, and also don't forget to remove all the edges right here, because this edges is the problem, because it's stick out too much. If you're using a longer brake system like this one right here, it's gonna be oversized. That's why you have to remove all the edges right here. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, remember all those carbon, especially 1.5 millimeter, all those carbon fiber is limited edition. It's only 1 ton. So if you don't buy it right now, it's gonna be out of stock. They're not gonna manufacture anymore. So it's better to get it. And overall, this is pretty useful. I think the only problem it is this one don't have the brake mounting point on the back, but anyway, you always can using another pieces to extend out, like such as like this piece right here, what I did on this setting right here. So put the two popsicle, the short pieces right here to extend out like this. Let me get a better angle, you can see like this. So anyway, so this is pretty useful, and I hope you like my video for the review. Okay, so if you have any question, just go ahead and leave a comment.